Well, that was a super fun skate. Anyway, let's talk about today's video. Today's video is going to be a product photography video. It won't be like super extensive like Peter McKinnon's and stuff, but just a simple, effective way to do product photography for very cheap. Before I do that, I think I gotta give this desk a little bit of a clean, so let's do that. Oh, that's way better. Alright, so today we're gonna be shooting these things, but I'm gonna set up a better view for all that right now, so we'll do that. Yeah. I brought a few things downstairs and we'll start to get ready. So here's what we're shooting. The Luna subscription box for March, date juice, and the blueberry milkshake. It all comes neatly packaged away in a nice little box, and with a little booklet of what the coffees are. Before I go on, this is not a sponsored video by Luna in any way. I need to actually do these shots, and I figured I would take you guys along with me. So to start, what we're gonna end up using is just 2 aperture lights. So this is the Aperture M9. It's about 60 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it below. And then the Aperture MC, this is my newest addition to my kit. It retails for about 120 Canadian dollars. And I have just a Joby mount on the bottom, so I can mount things really easily using this. And then just a basic boom light stand, or like a basic microphone stand that you would use for music. And a couple of colored poster board from Dollarama, about $1 each. I'm gonna start setting up a shot and we'll get right into this. So let's do that now. So one of the reasons I'm using painter's tape is because it doesn't rip the boards. Like, you can actually remove it after you're done. So if you need to adjust something later, you're not just like shredding everything. Okay, so we got the backdrop all figured out. It's ready to go. Now what I need to do is I need to turn off the room lights. The lens I'm gonna be using for this is this 70-200 or the 50-140 Fujinon lens with my X-H1. So I'm gonna go kill the lights and we'll set up for the first shot. Woo, it's a little bit dark. All right, so we got our main light set up. Just gonna put our first bag into the center here, and we'll take a shot and see how that looks. Okay, so first thing we're noticing is that it's a bit dark in the background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna introduce the second light. Now, I completely rigged up the Aperture M9 with some tape onto a 3-way arm from GoPro. So we're just gonna put that off to the side and turn that on. And now we'll take another shot. Okay. So essentially what you're doing is you're just repeating this process. You're adjusting lighting, you're adding things. And one reason I like to use constant light is because you can see exactly where the light is gonna hit. So if you were doing the same thing with flashes, what would happen is they would be shooting lights, and if you don't really know how to use them or you're inexperienced, it's gonna be really hard to make adjustments. So continuous light source allows you to see exactly where the light's hitting and move it accordingly. So that was just a very quick overview of how you can do simple product photography with just a few little baby lights. Before I finish this video, I do want to show you guys a little bit of a slideshow of some of the shots that I got from today. But before I do that, if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider doing so as well, and hitting that bell icon to be notified of more videos in the future. This is Chris from Chris Meets Chris, signing off. enjoy the photos. Love you guys.